Hey guys, it's me Vaishnavi. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm doing a part of my 1000 subscriber special. So before starting this video, I'd just like to say a huge thank you to every single one of you guys who managed to find that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. You guys mean a lot to me, and I'm sure you guys were looking forward to this video. So in case you guys didn't already know, this video is a Q&A and I asked for a lot of questions from you guys, and you guys were generous enough to help me have a lot of questions. So this video is going to be interesting. So without any further ado, let's move on to the video. So this is a new setup. This is another one of my rooms in my house, and I thought, why not change the setup for my 1000 subscriber special video. So let me know which setup you guys like the most, my room or this one. Whichever you guys like the most, I'll be sure to make videos on that. So now I'm going to the video on which I asked you guys for questions, and you guys left a lot of questions, and I'm very happy. So okay, so the first question I'm going to be answering is from Ishan Bhardwaj 00B. So a huge shout out to you, and these questions are really interesting. Question number 1, Q&A क्यों किया? Anyway, आंसर्स पूछने क्यों नहीं बोला, क्वेश्चन पूछने क्यों बोला? Okay, so okay, the next, Mera promotion. Alright, so everyone watching this video, go and subscribe to this channel, which would be linked down in the description box. Every single one of you guys who managed to leave a question for me, you guys are all having a shout out. So yeah. Alright, moving on to the next question. So the next question is from Anna S, and she's my YouTube friend, and she's not Indian, she's Canadian, so that's a plus. And she asked me, what is school like in India? Alright, I know most of your audience is from India, but I'd love to hear from your perspective. Alright, so I won't say there's a lot of difference in schools in India and America. I feel like the schooling systems are the same, the syllabus is the same. I feel like the only difference that there is probably the back to school timing. Like in India, it's April, and in the America, it's August or September. So that is the only difference you guys would find, and I feel like school in India is great, and all the people are really great as well. Next question from Anna. How are you dealing with the pandemic? Alright, so I don't have any special things to do during quarantine. What I do is like my usual stuff, like online school, work, videos, and all. Whatever like comes in my mind. There's not necessarily like a special thing that I've started doing because of this pandemic. Everything that I have been doing, it just continues that way. Okay, so yeah, so the next question is from Ishwan Vlogs, and a big huge shout out to her. And her question is, what inspired you to create your own channel? Alright, so I would say that the time I started my channel, I had no inspiration, because the time I started this channel, I was in fifth grade, and I just posted videos like which were very miscellaneous. I just dumped all the videos out of my gallery on YouTube, and that was not a very great content, because so yeah. And I feel like I didn't have an inspiration when I started my channel. I just wanted to because many people were doing that. So yeah. So the next question is asked by Ratika. Thank you so much for being a great subscriber, Ratika. You comment on every single one of my videos, and shout out to you. Okay, so question number, she has asked 31 questions, so this would be long. Question number 1, why you started YouTube? Alright, so as I already told, as a lot of people were starting their own channels, so even I thought, why not start a new channel and just post videos which are just miscellaneous. I didn't really think about something. So yeah. Next question from her. When you started YouTube, did you think what type of videos you would upload? To be honest, I didn't really think a lot about it. I just thought that I'd post toy reviews because I had like a lot of toys. I still do, but yeah, I thought that that would be a good video idea. So that was not very like serious, but yeah, I wanted to post toy reviews on my channel, and you can still find all those videos like if you go just down my channel, and those videos are not too good to be honest. So yeah. Okay, next, did you ever think that you would have reached 1k subscribers and be a popular YouTuber? So I knew that I would reach 1k someday, but I didn't know that I would reach that so soon, and I'm really happy to see all of you guys' support for me and be a popular YouTuber. I'm not a popular YouTuber actually, but I'd love to be one someday. And I feel like I can be a popular YouTuber just so every single one of you guys just support me. Okay, so next question. In starting, did you think that YouTube is the best thing to save your family videos in it? Yes, YouTube is the best platform to save your videos for future, like future views and all. I mean, if you're not doing YouTube for views, you can just store all your family videos on there, so that you can just look forward to them when you grow up, and that just leads to nostalgia, and that's a great thing. And I feel like YouTube is a great platform for a lot of people, because it just is like a great platform, just a camera or like just a phone that is needed to make these videos. So yeah. Okay, so do you feel bad when someone writes hate comments on your videos? I mean, I don't have a lot of hate comments, but I don't really care. So yeah. How many cars do you have? I have 189 cars. Just kidding. If I talk about like my family car, like my small family, like my mom, dad, me, and the Divyansh, then I'd say one car. And if I talk about my whole family, I'd have to count. So yeah. Next question. What do you want to be when you grow up? So I don't think that what I want to be right now would matter 2 years later, but as of now, I would love to join mass media in television and journalism. Would be great for me because I am very like adventurous and I love speaking. So yeah. Alright, so next question. How many rooms are there in your house? 4. How many family members are there in your house? In the house I live, I'd say 3 and sometimes 4. Divyansh is your real brother. Why would I fake someone to be my fake brother? Yes, obviously he's my real brother. What are your hobbies? So I have a lot of hobbies. I love creating. I love creating art pieces. I love creating videos, and I love dancing. I'd love to post some dance covers in case you guys want me to. So if you want me to post dance covers on YouTube, then please comment down below. I'd love to do that. And I also like singing. So yeah, those would be my hobbies. And next, what do you do in lockdown? Nothing special, as I already told you. um Alright, so who gave you ideas to make videos on this topic? So the topic in which I'm posting videos right now are like very lifestyle topics, and I someone didn't give me the idea. Actually, I just post whatever I like and whatever you guys want me to post. So nobody actually gives me these ideas. So they're either my ideas or you guys' ideas. So yeah. In which school do you study? I can't tell this due to security reasons, but yeah, I study somewhere in Patna. Your class, I'm in 8th. Your grades. If you're talking about my grades, then I'd say 90% most of the times. Like I've never got below that. So yeah. Favorite actor? Nobody. I don't like movies or shows, so that is why I don't have a favorite actor. Favorite singer? Ariana Grande and Shawn Mendes, in case you didn't know. Favorite TikToker? Addison Ray, but TikTok is no more, so there's no point in asking this question. Why don't you make TikToks? I used to, but TikTok is not available in our country right now because it got banned, so I can't make videos now. In which city do you live? I live in Patna, Bihar, Patna. What is your surname? I don't have a surname. My full name is Vaishnavi only. I don't know why, but I don't have a surname. So, who is your favorite YouTuber? I'll have to think about it because I watch a lot of people on YouTube, but I'd say Mariah Elizabeth's videos are great and I love watching them. JC and Casey are good, and the Brent Rivera squad is great too. Then when was Divyansh born? Divyansh, okay, so Divyansh's birthday is 6 July and he was born in 2012. That makes him 8 years old. So, what is the most important thing to you? Study, YouTube, family, all things are important. So, I'd say everything is equally as important because all of them can't be, judged on the basis of. So, yeah. Why did you stop to use the Star Maker app? I didn't really stop using it. I just have it in my phone. I don't use it that often because I mean I don't feel like it, but if you want me to, I will start using it again. So these are all my questions. Hope you answered them. Okay, thank you so much, Ratika, for your questions. These were amazing. Okay, so next question is from Shweta. Okay, Shweta. Next question is from Shweta. Huge shout out to you. Oh my god, I can't speak today. So she asked, what will be your feelings when you get 1 million subscribers in future? I don't know if I'd reach 1 million anytime soon, but if I do, I'd be very happy, and I'll sure do like a huge video on that topic, which would be my 1 million subscriber special. So that would be amazing. I wish I can reach that milestone someday. Okay, so next question is by Anushka, who is my best friend, and she asks me, who is your bestie? You better know. And next, what are some ideas for making a YouTube channel? So some ideas. So whatever you prefer doing, like I prefer making vlogs and things like that because that matches my aesthetic, and you can make videos on any topic. Like YouTube is a huge platform. You can make videos on anything. You can make educational videos, you can make funny videos, you can make comedy sketches, and a lot of those things. So thank you for your question, and a huge shout out to you as well. Now the next questions are from just a normal person, and thank you so much for your questions, and a shout out to you. So the questions, okay, so let me start by reading the comment. Let me start by saying this video is really helpful. Thank you. And you asked for questions, so here are mine. What do you think about the sub to sub system? So the sub to sub system is basically like the system in which people like subscribe to you, and then they tell you to subscribe to them because they subscribe to you. I feel like this system is awkward, and I don't think that this is a great thing to grow your channel on YouTube, because that's not how you should grow your channel. There are people who are just there are people who are just doing a lot of hard work to reach milestones, and you people are just subbing to each other, and that's not a good system, to be honest. But if you use it, there's no problem, but I mean you shouldn't. So did you ever have TikTok? If yes, then who was your favorite TikToker? Yes, I did have it for about like 3 months before it got banned. So yeah, and my favorite was Addison Ray. And yeah, who who do you like the most to watch on any platform? So the app I use the most is probably YouTube, and I mean I like to watch a lot of people on here because a lot of them are great creators. I watch Mariah Elizabeth, I watch the Brent Rivera squad, I'll watch a lot of people. I can't just name all of them. So would you consider doing a giveaway soon? I would love to do a giveaway, but I don't think that I have a lot of people to just uh, distribute the prize to. So when I reach, I think 3 to 4 thousand subscribers, I'd love to do a giveaway. Okay, so next questions are from Mansi's here. So huge shout out to Mansi, and she's also one of my greatest subscribers. She comments on a lot of my videos. So your age, I think I already told this in a lot of my videos, and I'm 12. So your inspiration, I don't have an inspiration, I just started this channel. But if you'd say the inspiration of the videos I make, I'd say Lavanya Lifestyle. She's also like a school going student, and she makes videos, and her videos are really good. And yeah, next, tell me about your family members. I mean, I have 4 family members: my mom, dad, little brother whose name is Divyansh, and me. And if I talk about like every single one of them, like that would be impossible to talk about every single one of them. So just leave that. And next, your city, Patna, your state and country in is Bihar, India. And favorite YouTuber, already told you guys, YouTube bestie, RP Network on YouTube, and Anna S on YouTube. Your favorite ice cream flavor, chocolate. Do you like BTS and Blackpink? Yes, I do. Your bias in BTS, OT7. Your bias in Blackpink, I think Lisa. Do you like Rimurav vlogs? Rimurav vlogs. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I don't watch them. But yeah, they're great. So, do you like Mariah Elizabeth videos? Yes, I do. Which is your favorite, Brent Rivera or Stokes twins? I mean, I can't decide, but I'd say Brent Rivera because I watch the whole squad. And yeah. Moving on to the next questions. Okay, so the next questions are from TC. I mean, that's what their username is, in case you guys don't think, like that is the username TC. So, hi sister, how are you? Hi, I'm fine. First of all, your handwriting is impeccable and I really want to make my handwriting like yours. But one, I always failed miserably and my teachers also scolded me for not writing in good. They used to say that your handwriting is like pairs of ant and elephant stuffed in mini dolls. Not to lie, but your teacher is a savage, but they should not say that way. So I mean, any advice to improve my handwriting? Yes, watch the recent video on my channel. If you follow those tips for like 2 months, your handwriting would be top class. Okay, so, and yes, my question is, are you the topper of your class? I'd say yes. And my next question is, what is your dream or aim to be, like something you want to become? I mean, for now I would love to join journalism, so yeah. Okay, so next question, I'd have to just go to my community tab because a lot of you guys asked a few questions on there. So let's see. What do you want to become in life? Means continue YouTube channel or something else, and I'm looking forward to the answer of my question. So this question is asked by the Admirable Lifestyle, and I think she told me that her name is Alicia. So shout out to you. And I think I'd continue YouTube if I can, because YouTube is like a great thing and I feel like it's good and a lot of you guys love watching my videos, so I'd love to continue it with my job. And I don't know by now because I'm still a kid, but I'll try to. Okay, so the next question is from Dhananjay Kumar. The first thing you would be doing when the pandemic ends? I'd have a family or a friend reunion, that would be great. And also the things which you are doing in this lockdown, as we all are in our homes. I already told you I'm not doing anything special. I'm just trying to make drawings because I love creating. As I already told you, I love creating art, I love creating videos, I love creating things. And yeah, that is nothing special, to be honest, just like the normal lifestyle. The next question is from Akriti, and she asks, what do you use for making videos and editing? So I use Candy Camera for filming my videos because they have great filters and that's like nice. And for editing, I won't say like a single app. I just keep experimenting with a lot of them, but I use Final Cut Pro X most of the time. So yeah. Next question is from Shri Veda. Shout out. Where do you live and which class are you studying in? I live in Patna and I'm studying in standard 8th right now. So yeah. The next question is from the Glossy Life. What is your favorite subject, and also the subject which you don't like much? My favorite has to be science and English, and I don't like much Sanskrit probably. Okay. Okay, so next question from the Admirable Lifestyle. Your English is really good. From where do you learn it? Means any app or anything else? So I've got this a lot of times. Thank you so much for every single one of you who think my English is good. And I mean, I haven't learned it from anywhere. It is just very natural. I learned it from going to school. Like very natural, nothing special. Okay, so next question is from Palak Verma. Shout out if you're watching this video. She asks me, what's harder, a ton of steel or convincing you for WSC? Probably convincing me. So yeah, that was an interesting question. Okay, so I feel like the very last questions I'll be answering for today, because they're all the questions that you guys asked me and I've answered every single one of them. So the next questions are from Asaviri Kharit. Shout out to you, girl. And her questions are very educational. What is Excel? Excel is a Microsoft app. And what is the full form of PPT? PPT is PowerPoint presentation. And yeah, I feel like your questions were very interesting. So that was it for today's video. This was my 1000 subscriber special part 1. Part 2 is coming really soon. I won't say next week, but yeah, it is coming very soon. And please, I would just want you guys to subscribe to my channel, please. And yeah, that is what I wanted to say. So I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave video ideas down below because I'm running out of them. I don't know what to make next week, so just tell me what you want to see. And that's all I wanted to say for today. In case you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also hit that big red subscribe button down below and the little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you will become the member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my miracle family members. That's all I wanted to say. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye. Hey guys, it's me Vaishnavi. So okay, so now I'm going to my community posts for the questions. Okay. Camera quality all good? Hope so.